शंकर शुभ शंकर दास शुभ शंकर दास ओके
I am here to represent my model human heart. The heart is located in our chest cavity, slightly tilted to our left side. The heart is a hollow muscular pumping organ of our human body that is responsible from the flow of blood throughout the body. The left side of the heart is fully separated from the right side by a partition called the ventricle. It is also used to prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. The heart are mainly four chambers. The upper two chambers are called the atrium and the lower two chambers are called the ventricle. The left atrium and the left ventricle can carry only oxygenated blood from the lungs throughout the body. But the right ventricle and the right atrium can carry only deoxygenated blood from the lungs throughout the body. Pericardium. The pericardium is a part of our human heart that prevents from heart internal injuries or for shock absorber. Heartbeat. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of our human heart is known as the heartbeat. In the normal person, heartbeat is in 1 minute 70 to 80 times. But when a person can running, the heartbeat can increase.
how slowly the blood
Yes, sir. Sir, the when
deoxygenated blood
the deoxygenated blood go to the right atrium to the right ventricle, and the oxygenated blood first come to the left atrium to the right ventricle.
this is a step
ATM कार्ड दे
there are 4 chambers yeah how many which chamber there are 4 chamber right atrium right ventricle left ventricle you tell which chamber has maximum force very good through which aperture name the aperture but name the you are mentioning that valves so what is the name of the valve present between the left atrium and left ventricle do you know the valve no I am telling that there is a valve between the left atrium and the left ventricle you are mentioning the valves present between the atrium and ventricle there is a valve what is the name of the valve do you know valve it is a valve this is a bicuspid valve it is a tricuspid valve okay bicuspid and tricuspid valve acha when deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle deoxygenated blood from right ventricle pass to the which organ
lungs.
very good lungs from the lungs pure blood comes to the which part of the heart
The left atrium and left ventricle, and they go to the body parts.
thank you